Alright, here we go. We just installed a brand new radiator guard for my radiator and full Dominator exhaust. Get rid of that shitty cat. She's pretty clean, man. I like the way it fit. I didn't have any problems really on fitment. So if you got a GSXS 1000 or an F, these are supposed to fit both of them. So man, it's a great installation, man. I just don't know what to do with this pair valve back here. I left it connected just so I don't get a check engine light on for right now. But we already had it started up, no check engine light because of the pair valve is still connected to the ECU. So we'll see. We need to get it tuned now. But man, it's just surprisingly idles good. So I got it warmed up. She's at 194. We'll go ahead and give her a rip, see how she sounds. I don't know how much justice this is gonna do, but man, she's mean, boy. Fairly well, man. I don't know if the ECU is adjusting fueling, pretty much, I guess. But she's idling like stop. I mean, that's amazing. I want to know what the AFRs are, but oh, she sounds mean. Now these cars can hear me and don't get in my way. Thanks for watching.